In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and edit invoices in Jotform. Whether you're new to this platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your forms and invoices efficiently. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, or another. Once there, type Jotform into the search bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Jotform homepage, which is your gateway to accessing and managing your forms. If you already have an account, simply go ahead and log in with your credentials. For those who are new to Jotform, you'll need to sign up, which is a quick and straightforward process. Once you're logged in, navigate to your submissions table. This is where you'll see a list of all the forms and submissions you've received, allowing you to quickly access and sort through your data. Now, direct your attention to the submissions table where your forms are listed. Beside each form's name, you'll notice 3 small dots. These are your access points for further actions. Click on these dots and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here, you're offered options such as View Form, Assign Form, or Edit Form. Each of these serves a different purpose, depending on your current needs. If you're looking to simply view the form as it's been submitted, or if you need to delegate access to someone else, you can easily do so from this menu. Another way to access these options is by looking to the right side of your screen. You'll find a Form option here. Clicking on this will also present you with similar action choices, ensuring you have multiple pathways to get you to the same result, in case one method fits better with your workflow. Now, let's say you want to see how your form looks from the perspective of a user. When you choose to view or interact with the form, it will open up in a new browser tab. This allows you to review it just as your respondents would, giving you the chance to see firsthand how your form operates. If instead, the task at hand is to modify the form, perhaps tweaking its structure, fields, or settings, you'll want to access the Jotform Form Builder. By opting to edit the form, you'll be taken into Jotform's powerful builder interface. This is where you can make all the necessary adjustments to suit your requirements, be it adding new questions, changing the format, or adjusting the back-end settings to ensure everything functions as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to checking and editing invoices in Jotform. With these straightforward steps, managing your forms should be a breeze. Thanks for joining me today and happy form building.